Hi everyone, and today I'm going to bring you another AI use case for the internal audit and how we can help the internal audit to transform with AI. And this is the fourth use case, that is the CheckMate AI, accelerating audits with smart, fast data quality checks. Now, the whole purpose of this AI agent and the goal of this AI agent is to help the internal audit teams to check the data quality not in hours but in few minutes. Now, many of the internal audit teams face the problem that they receive data in Excel or in CSV file or in any other format, and then they just manually check the data quality. That either there are some anomalies in the data, there are some missing values, there are some inconsistencies in the data, and this AI agent is going to help them uh, check the data quality just within few minutes. And they need to just upload the file and it will just run the process. The AI analysis engine will run and it will just like publish the report that what are the different missing values, what are the columns, and all the other things I will just show you in the demo. So it can help you with the complex data patterns, like if there are some inconsistencies, some outliers, so it can actually detect automatically, and you do not need to just analyze it manually and find the outliers and other inconsistencies. So it can actually reduce your time and your efforts by 90%. In case it can increase your productivity, it can actually improve the accuracy rate by 99%, very accurate analysis, and the analysis time will be almost less than 5 minutes. And it can actually give you the missing data, how many missing values in any column, or also what are the outliers. It can also give you the like validate the data, like check the data types, formats. Also it can check the data profiling, the quality metrics and different other things, and it can actually give you the reports that can be presented in front of the executives. So this tool is going to help you a lot whenever, for example, you are going to audit any of your client system, for example sales system, and then you get the sales data in any type of file, in Excel, in for example in CSV file, in text file. Just you need to upload the data to this AI agent and it will give you the report and like a quick analysis, a quick snapshot of all the data, all the anomalies, outliers, and then you can then quickly check that what are the different outliers and what you are going to do with that. And you can also just straight away give the observations related to the data quality. So in order to work with this data quality audit agent, which is called the CheckMate AI, just I will click on the browse file and I have a data here, 10 MB data in Excel file, and this is the, and then it has started and the data has started uploading. And when the upload is complete, then it will just give us a button will appear here that you need to check the data quality. Like here there are 60,000 rows in this data, 26 columns. Here also it is giving you a data preview, a quick snapshot of the data, and its memory usage is almost 15 MB. Now I will click on this start data quality analysis. Now here is the analysis report. Overall score given by this AI agent to this data is 8.2 out of 10. Status is excellent. Completeness is 9.2 out of 10. Uniqueness is 10 out of 10. Consistency and validity is 5.5 out of 10. Here is the data quality dimensions. Also the missing values by column percentage. These are the two columns that have 100% missing values, like all there is no data in these columns. So you can also remove these columns if you are going to clean the data. And there are 120k missing values in this whole data. and more than 1.5 million total cells, 60,000 rows. And also it is going to give you the column analysis. The product key is integer. Also it is going to give you the missing count, the missing percentage, the unique values in this, outliers. So also the order data key, and also it has unique values and the outliers in this. Customer key is integer, and also it has 18,484 unique values. So that's a really good snapshot, like a quick analysis of the data related to the quality, and you can just pinpoint that where you are going to go and what you need to analyze just within a few minutes, instead of like you spending the whole day in your Excel file and analyzing each and everything just within a quick snapshot within a few minutes. Now there are outliers, and these are the order date, also the float and date time, order date, due date, shipment date. Also these are the different issues identified. The missing values, like it's visible here also, and it's also showing it is in like in red. It's very critical. That carrier tracking number is 100% missing, and also customer PO number is 100% missing. Also it is mentioned that outliers in order data key, 7,597 potential outliers. And also it has given you the recommendations: investigate this statement, data key error, unit price, data entry errors. So, and also you can export the result in JSON. I'm currently working on these things, but you can also export the report in CSV summary also. So that's a quick snapshot that how this Checkmate AI, a data quality AI audit agent, can help you get a snapshot, a quick overview of your data, and just quickly you need to just send the observations related to the data quality, missing values, each and everything to the client. So that's how it is going to help you in your audit. So thank you so much for watching.